Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Wolfblox 500 mW 433 MHz UJT transmitter TX and 100 mW receiver RX compatible with the X9D and the other FR Sky or every JR equipped radio. So let's get to it. I already have the Hobby King version, but I thought about getting this one because it's supposed to be of higher quality. And yeah, so let's look into it. Let's start with the receiver. There it is. Looks fine. Nothing to see here. So it says 8 channels, RSSI on top. I'm actually not sure it does S-Bus. I hope it does, but I'm not too confident. We will see. It for sure does PPM. So let's get some size measurements. Oh, let's unbox the rest first. And then, so this is a Sanders style monopole. Probably the best thing for the receiver. And yeah, I think it will do the trick, but a dipole would be better. And I DIY'd one. This is actually a semi-flexible, so the ground pole is flexible and the normal antenna is fixed. But yeah, and let's look at the module itself. So that's it. JR style. It's like, I think you can push it. Ah, okay, so maybe you can see it, not sure. It's actually, you can put it like in there like this, and it shorts those pins, or you can put it in like that, and it shorts those pins. I guess that's for, it says UART, normal, or S port. Maybe it says S port, not sure. And there we have our FTDI pins, quite nice, actually labeled here. And this actually looks like a USB port, at least the cutout for one. So maybe you can just put an FTDI in there, and that's supposed to be in here. And that's probably the bind button. Okay, pretty light. Let's look at the antenna that comes with it. This is supposed to be the transmitter antenna, but I guess it's just a normal dipole, though it's a little bit short for a dipole. But this is supposed to be the transmitter antenna. Cool. So let's check out the size of the receiver, since I think that's interesting. There's something wrong here. Okay, now it's working. So the width, 27.76 millimeters, and it's, yeah, exactly 0. What's happening? And it's 9.16 millimeters tall. And what is happening? I'm not sure. Something's awkward about this scale. Okay, so this is 27.89 millimeters wide. And let's check this here. 46.5 millimeters long. Yeah. So much for that. Let's check out the weight for the receiver, and it's 7.7 grams. That's okay. I mean, I can remove the pins and save some grams, but that's totally fine. Cool. So I got my Tyrannus here. Let's put this in here. And one thing to look out for when using a module like this is to have an antenna on there pretty much all the time, because if you power it up without an antenna on, it probably dies more or less instantly, depending on the power you're running it. So I'm probably one of those guys that run the antenna like this. Some say it's better to have it like vertically, but the loss running it like this isn't that big. I'm not sure it has any impact when flying like normal range for a long range system, but yeah, just because I'm lazy. Cool. Okay, I think so much for unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.